Hello and welcome to another episode of the Adam and Val World Tour, testing products from every country in the world, or whatever products we can find. Today I have these. Val won't like these because they're strawberry, but get over it. Have a cup of tea and get over it. It's only a bit of strawberry. Strawberry, I think that says Mochi. Mochi? Excuse me if I'm wrong. Like I say, I'm not going to be able to pronounce all this stuff because that's the only bit of English on the whole packet. There's a little bit on the back. It ain't really saying much. It's basically saying 4 servings a day, and that's really it. And there's some nutritional values. And when I was looking, I thought it was a sweet. I have had one. Well, the daughter had one as well. But it does say some of the flavourings. On the flavourings, it says beef. Right there, it just says beef. So I don't know what these were made in Taiwan, but I believe these were Japanese sweet or a Japanese food. So today we are in Japan with these. So let's try one of these. I have already had one because when we come out the shop, the daughter opened them and she was eating them, and I thought I'm having one of them. Individually wrapped little mochi. I want to say mochi. Individually wrapped strawberry. Let's get this one out. Kind of like, it's very squidgy and soft, kind of like a marshmallow texture, but not. If that understands, it's kind of like a Play-Doh. Kind of like Play-Doh. That's the texture I was going for. Not much smell. And inside, there's like a strawberry sort of jelly filling. My personal opinion, they're not sweet enough to be a sweet. So they all look like sweets and they're wrapped and they're sold like sweets. But to me, they're not sweet enough to be a sweet. They're more like a savoury, but like a squidgy savoury. I'm not a massive lover of the texture either. It's a bit too, it's not slimy, it's not like wet slimy, but it is kind of, it feels a bit slimy. There's nothing, me eating one of these making me want to have more out of the packet. I'm sorry about that. I'm sure some people love them, but this one for me, sorry, it's not for me. Remember to subscribe to carry on watching the AMV World Tour. We don't like everything, but we try.